Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Canon 50mm 1.2 Canon 85 1.2 lens. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, sorry about the lighting. I bought this used from KEH.com and it is in the barking condition. It also has a sticky surface, so I'm not sure if that surface means the lens or if it means the glass of the lens, so we'll find out. It has the condition. One is excellent and one is bargain. I thought they were both bargain, so that's my bad, but the 50 was $723 and the 85 is $436. Alright, so let's start with the Canon 85 as it is the bargain condition. This is the Canon 85 1.2 L EF lens. It is the second version. Doesn't come with a back or a cap, so it's in this little plastic bag. Just to see what part of it is sticky, so let's unbox it. So straight away, the lens itself looks incredible. It says it's sticky. It does feel a little tacky, but definitely not anything crazy. So I am so glad I bought this. Definitely consider buying bargain condition. Even some of the descriptions are a little scary. Like this one said surface sticky. Doesn't feel sticky at all. I mean, it's a little, like there's a little stick to it, but no. Saved hundreds of dollars on this. This is my dream lens. I've literally been dreaming about this lens since I started my business 10 years ago, and I finally bought it. Definitely impressed. This is my second bargain quality lens that I've bought from KEH. Now let's move on to the 50 1.2. Okay. Glass looks very nice. It's in excellent condition, so I have high expectations. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, I'm so glad I purchased. Highly recommend KEH.com. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.